Hello, my friends out there. Are you ready? Let's do it. Pax. If our voices are turned off, we're looking to the teacher and listening for directions, then we are ready to go. Make sure you have your best singing voice on. You're sitting up nice and tall, and you can be on the floor or on your bed, but best is in a chair or even standing if you'd like to do that too. Go ahead and show me the hand sign for do, re, mi. Do you remember this? Here's thumbs down, fa. For some reason we don't like fa. Sol, train tunnel la, point to the sky, ti, and then here's do, which looks like the do that we started on, but higher. All right, this is going to be our starting note. This is going to be your do. Let's sing a major scale using our solfege, our do, re, mi's, and our hand signs. Ready and sing. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Breathe when you have to. La, ti, do. Come on back down the stairs. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Now I'm going to teach you a new pattern. This is called skips by thirds. And thirds just means from do to mi is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then from mi we got to back down one step. Re, mi, fa is 3, right? From re to fa is 3. Then we got to go back down to mi. I know it's confusing, hang in there. Mi, fa, sol, we're going to skip from mi to sol, that's a 3, and so on, etc. When we get to the top, we're going to have to add a re up there, okay? Let Mr. Brock sing it for you once. If you'd like to hum along, make sure that you're using your best listening ears also, all right? Here I go. Do, mi, backtrack to re. Re, fa, down to mi, sol, back down to fa, la, down to sol, so, ti, that's kind of a weird one, la, do, back down to ti, ti, add a re on top, re, do. All right, my arm's getting tired. I'm going to switch over here. You try it with me. Ready? And make some mistakes. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, so, ti, la, do, ti, re, do. Good, we're only going to work on the ascending, or going from bottom to top, but down the road you will need to know how to sing the descending. And I'm going to do it once for you just for giggles. Here I go. Do, la, ti, sol, la, fa, sol, mi, fa, re, mi, do. Now we need to add a T on the bottom. Re, ti, do. All right, let's do our ascending scale. Skips by thirds. One last time. Ready, here we go. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, sol, fa, la, so, ti. Hang in there. La, do. Add a re on top. Ti, re, do. Whew. All right. Nice work, friends. Now at this point, I would like for us to move on to something called Instrument of the Week. Now, Instrument of the Week this week happens to be this guy. Any ideas what this is? It's got holes that let the air through, and in order to play different notes, you have to cover the holes. It is called a recorder, and I think some of you out there actually played this last year. Fourth graders, if you are fourth graders this year, this spring, when we all come back to school, we will be doing a unit on recorders. Super, super fun. Now I'm going to attempt just a part of a song for you. Can you guess what this song is called? If you'd like to take a guess, write your answer in the space provided below in the comment section, okay? So now what I'd like for you to do is to simply sit back and relax. I'm going to play for you a recording of a professional recorder player. And I might even put the name of the band up on the screen in case you really like it. This band is amazing, and this player plays a style of music that is often really, really fast. There's a lot of notes that come very quickly. So, best listening ears, make sure it's quiet in the space where you are working. If you need to even close your eyes to really concentrate on the music, listen for this instrument, and then also there are two other instruments that are playing. See if you can't figure out what they are, and then write your answers down below in the comment section. I'm going to be checking and responding to answers that are submitted. Enjoy. Okay, were you able to figure out what the two other instruments were? If you want to take a guess, go ahead and write your comments below. All right, now some theory review. I asked last week that you do a little review of some music symbols, right? And this is like rhythm, being able to count rhythms. This is one of the fundamental things about being able to read music. All right, so let's review once, and then I'm going to give you your test. And I think you could write your answers down below as they appear in the comment section. And I don't know, maybe I'll have a reward or something for those that get them all correct. Okay, so here we go. Treble clef, say it. Good. Number 2, bass clef. Make sure you're repeating these after me. Now we get into our types of notes that we have in music. Would you say 16th note? And this one has the 2 flags, right? That's how you can remember. 8th note. Good, just 1 flag there, excellent. And quarter note. Good, right? Probably the most common. Now we get bigger. Half note. Excellent. And whole note, you say? All right, good. Now we're getting into the rests. And the rests are just as important as the notes, but they show silence in music. And that's super important too. 2 flags, 16th rest. Good. Make sure you repeat. 8th rest. Good for you. Quarter rest. Excellent. And here's the top hat. Half rest. And last but not least, whole rest. All right, good. Now I'm going to pick and choose and mix up a couple of these cards, put them in an order for our quiz to be taken now. Okay, are you ready for your quiz? Here is question number 1. Write your answer below. Spelling doesn't count. It's helpful, but it doesn't count. Number 2. Write your answers in order down below in the space provided. Number 3. What is it? Number 4. What is it? And there's nothing on that card, Mr. Brock. How about turning it around? Here's your last question. All right, did you get them all? If not, you can always backtrack. Don't go all the way back, though, and cheat. See if you can't. Rack your brain and figure out what each of these symbols are called. All right, let's end today with our 3W song. Now, you probably think that we're going to sing this in English, but that would be way too easy. Let's go ahead and sing it in Spanish. And you Spanish speakers out there, you're going to have to lead the charge. I'll go ahead and put the words as big as I can up on the screen and sing along our Las Tres W.
Cuando te despiertas y es hora de ir a la escuela, tienes que trabajar, hacer las 3W, te lavas las manos tú, te frotas las manos, haz tu máscara, mantén tus gérmenes para ti, siempre espera 6 pies de distancia. Si haces tu trabajo, todos se mantienen bien, mantengamos la COVID a raya y desparcerra, y haz tus manos tú, te frotas las manos, haz tu máscara, mantén tus gérmenes para ti, siempre espera 6 pies de distancia. Si haces tu trabajo, todos se mantienen bien, mantengamos la COVID a raya y desparcerra.
Hey, nice job today. I look forward to seeing all of your comments for this video. Stay tuned for some wintry Christmas, Hanukkah, Kwanzaa type music coming up. Las Posadas. All right. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me today. Take care.